So now I'm going to show you how to do the battle rope. So we've got that clump of rope in the corner there. Unravel it. You've got 2 ropes. Make sure they're in a nice straight line. The basic idea is the longer the rope, the harder the movement. If you shorten the ropes, just kind of wrap it around the pole, it's going to be slightly easier because you haven't got as much rope to thrash about. But the idea is come to the end. You want to get yourself in a really good stable position. So I'm going to engage my quads. I'm going to come into a kind of sumo squat stance. I'm going to grab hold of each rope, again making sure they are equal length. I'm going to set my shoulders in. This is a kind of shoulder and arm exercise. The first thing, kind of a good way to start, is just undulating the rope up and down, like so. So both arms together. I'm engaging my core, so I'm not kind of rocking out of place. So that's where I need my nice stable position. I'm going to try and keep my shoulders where they are, and I'm just going to move my arms up and down. Where it gets tricky is when you do it single arm, so it looks like this. Yeah, it's really difficult. If that's too hard for you, what you can do is practice with just one rope. So you can do both arms and just get used to that movement, that motion, and that stance. And then maybe as well, a little bit more advanced, you can do some single arm, like so. Then obviously graduate up to both arms. And again, a nice, really good bit of movement in the cage.